Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Yunus Arman from the world largest Rohingya refugee camps. Today, the present our honorable Sheikh-based Islamic scholar Maulana Abdul Rahim Shah. So, thank you so much, Steve to Humanity Association Canada, who are supporting our most persecuted Rohingya students who are suffering difficult condition. Now we are going to providing a scholarship on behalf of this Canadian organization, Steve to Humanity Association. Thanks to every single donors who have donated money for our Rohingya student. Now we are going to hand over your amana, your donation, your scholarship money to our student. Now you can see clearly where your amana, where your donation reach. Alhamdulillah, all people are very pleasant and appreciated to our donor. Thank you so much. আপনার নাম হন
মোহাম্মদ নূর।
মোহাম্মদ নূর। এটা আমি নিয়ে গেছি আগে, এবার আপনারা দিতে পারবেন। আমি এটা মানে এডিট করে
উসমান গনি।